Welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Fashion Famous. Sorry, I don't know why I'm just like a slow typer. I don't know why I do this. Anyway, today we're playing Fashion Famous. Just got the shower, so I'm gonna try and post every day. At least one video every day. Wait, what was the theme again? Looks like we got some fans. Alright. Crowned royalty. Alright. I think I have an idea. I'm gonna go for like that bob that covers like half the face. Have y'all seen the new Cinderella? That's what I went for. Like his sister? She has like a short bob. She has like brown. Alright. I hope I can find a crown, because I've never really seen a crown. Wait, where are all the crowns? Hold up. Wait, what was that laugh? Okay. Alright, let's change the body. No, this is the men's section. Alright, not me getting irritated. Did y'all see that girl in the background? Okay, maybe there's crowns over here? No, just bags. Alright, oh my gosh, look at that girl. What in the world? Okay. Maybe there's a crown over here. Hello, no crowns? No crowns? Maybe like Maleficent theme. Oh, I like hers. I'm seeing if there's any crowns. I don't see any. Alright, let's move on to the faces. Oh, yes. Saucy queen. Alright, why is my face so low? Alright, Oh my goodness. Oh, I kind of like that. I just had like the greatest idea. We need to go for like a Maleficent theme. Like evil crowned royalty. Sorry, that was my brother playing Fortnite. Oh, I don't really like that. I think we should go for like the bob again. Yeah, I think we should go for the bob again. Except for like maybe curly. Oh yes, dark. Dye that baby black. Black. Alright, that was a joke from my last video. If you watched it, you would know. Oh, maybe like a wand? No! Alright. Bag? No, I don't really think that matches. Oh, we only have 80 seconds. Gotta figure this thing out. Maybe, okay, clothes. That's the thing I'm forgetting. Stupid. Alright, hold on, I have to do something.
2,000 years later.
Alright. I don't see any clothes. This black dress. Oh yes, and I could put like a skirt. Black. Why does that actually work? Okay. So far I actually like it. Oh my gosh, we only have 35 seconds. Maleficent. But which ones? They're all so good. You know what? These will do. I like these. You know, I actually like this outfit. Maybe see if we can find anything. I love those shades. I love them. I think this is all we need. I don't think we need anything else. Oh, her outfit was cute. Oh, yay, time's up. Oh my gosh, I love this one. London. Crowned royalty. Gotta get that chat ready. That way it's not slow. Tell everyone that I'm an evil queen. Sorry, next door neighbor lawnmowers. Alright. Where are they? Oh, they're... I actually like hers. I'll give it a 4. It's not the best. I want to wait until I see, like, others. Oh, hers isn't really, like... She kind of went for my theme, but, like, it wasn't as great. Not really crown royalty, you know? Where are they? Oh. I mean, hers is pretty good, but not as great as the first person, though. I think the first person so far is the best. I like that name, Laughing Butterfly 13. Hers is like the best! But I don't want to give it a 5 because she's like competition. Oh, yes, gotta get that chat ready. Go ahead and do it. Wait, why isn't it popping up? Got a point, you know? I think mine has more accessories, but I think the girl before me did the great one. Sorry, my brother's playing Fortnite, you know? Oh. You know what? I have no words. I'll give him an A for or she. A for effort. So I'll give her 1 star. Oh. You know what? Pure genius. Pure genius. Beautiful. Alright, the winner. What? Oh, it's the girl that I said did the best. GG. Oh my gosh, the bathing suit girl is up there. Yes. Notification, sorry. How in the world am I last? How did I only get 6 stars? I rage quit. I can't even. I can't. How in the world did I get last? Like, alright guys, so that's for the video. So that's all the video. Why is this girl always following me? Alright, so make sure to subscribe and hit that like button in the face. And I'll see you all next time, guys. Goodbye.